Who was Mary's favorite player?
I think Mary's favorite player. I think Mary's favorite player is definitely Ramat.
I would agree with that. Ramat.
Mary's favorite player on the team is Ramat Al-Hassan.
Definitely Ramat. Definitely have to say Ramat.
Definitely Ramat,
Yeah.
yes.
I think it's me. I'm just saying.
Oh, I wasn't gonna say that at all.
Yeah, I think Mary's favorite player is me.
She keeps her locker so clean. She does well in school.
Always on time.
She's never late. She's literally never late.
Ramat.
Absolutely not. Lies. Actual lies. Okay.
She knows the schedule. She knows like what we're wearing before we know what we're wearing.
Ooh, Ramat.
Ramat, that's
Yeah,
a good one
Ramat.
too.
Ramat.
She's a good one.
She can do no wrong.
She can't, yeah, she really can't do anything wrong. She's one of our favorites too for that very reason. I'm like, wow. Wow, she's a really great person. She keeps my life together.